Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix black with Wukong game, the black borders problem on just screen. I will show you guys the different solution, so let's get started. Guys, first you can go to the Windows search, or you have to go to the Windows search tab here, they change the resolution of the display and simply open it. And now guys, here just scroll down and you will see option of display orientation. So you just need to make sure that it is selected to the landscape. After that, now you'll see the display resolution on the top, and here you just need to make sure that it is selected to the recommended resolution on your PC or laptop. And if this is does not selected to the recommended, then you can select it and then see your problems is or not. If this failed to work, then you can select the 1024x768, and if this failed to work, then you can select the next one, and you can just try all of these and see this fix your problem or not. If these fail to work, then go to the Windows side, type here the updates and open it. Now here guys, you just need to make sure that your Windows is completely updated, and if there is any kind of available update for the Windows, then just update it and then just restart your PC again, and your problem will be definitely fixed after this solution. And I hope your problem will be fixed, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye.